it's a 10-minute drive. Alright, so we just arrived. I'm walking, trying to find the trail. So I think I found the start of it. It is so pretty out here, guys. I'm like, oh my goodness, it's been so long since I've been here. So this right here is actually mugwort. And I found something down here. I'm not too sure what it is, but we're gonna identify it later. This is so cool. I wonder what this is. It's just randomly in this one spot around this little river over here. Here's a better look at it. This is just absolutely beautiful. Look how cool that is. I see water down there. That should be fun. I just attached my tripod. I should have been using it the whole time. I wish you could feel these leaves. They are so soft.